Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and if you are a massage therapist or esthetician, this is the massage table for you. So this is the Luxton home portable massage table, and I was personally looking for a table that was sturdy, well made so that I can use it for a long time, and easy to carry. And this table has checked off every box. It is very sturdy and well made, and it can support up to 465 pounds. So I'm confident that 99% of my clients will be able to be supported on this table. And it's built pretty identical to most portable tables. So if you have used one, you will know how to use this one. It is also easy to carry because it comes with a carrying case, which I adore, so I don't have to get a separate one. The case also has pockets, which is convenient, and what is very important to me is that it is comfortable. The foam is easy to lay on for extended periods of time, and the adjustable headrests and armrests keep my clients comfortable on the bed. And I just really can't think of anything more I would want out of a table. It is just perfect for me as a student to practice on, as well as to learn massage. So if you are a student or a practitioner, this is a great choice for your practice. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.